What's going on, guys? Sorry it's been so long. Been over a month since I posted a video. I thought it was just going to be a couple weeks, but it was a little bit longer. Our boy is here. He's doing perfectly fine. Mom's doing good. So yeah, it's been a while since I've been able to fly. So we're gonna go to a cool little airport just east of here. It's called Meador. It's right next to I-16 on the interstate, and it's just a fun little place to drive or fly into, and just land right beside the interstate. Pretty cool for the cars passing by. So let's hop in, get fired up, and get going. Add some fuel to this totalizer. I had about 60 to it. Okay. Got red light. Going up. Clear.
Alright guys, we'll pick up the weather and start our taxi.
8, altimeter 3019er.
Harry, Houston County Airport.
Automatic weather observation. 1301 Zulu. Weather, wind 070 at 5. Visibility 10 clear. Below 2000. Temperature 23 Celsius. Dew point 18. Altimeter 3019er.
And Perry traffic, Cessna 310 Mike Kilo, station runway 36, Perry traffic. Alright guys. Taxi on right down here. Short taxi from the hangars to runway departure in. Alright, we're going to do a run up and then I'll get back with y'all on the takeoff roll. Alright guys, run up was good. Give a call and we'll taxi out. And Perry traffic, Cessna 310 Mike Kilo, taking active runway 36. It's going to be a right crosswind departure, Perry traffic. Extra's rich. Fuel pump's coming low. Doors locked, windows up. Bring stabilize, everything looks good. Alright. Got a little bit of a crosswind. Everything looks good at 85, 95. Let's go flying. That brakes, the gear's coming up. Better turn the taxi light off. And Perry traffic 2690 Mike Kilos, upwind runway 36, Perry traffic. Alright, go ahead and make a power reduction. Before we start a turn. Oil pressures, everything still look good. And Perry traffic 2630 Mike Kilos, right crosswind runway 36, Perry traffic. A little hazy today. Alright, I've got our fuel pumps off one at a time. $24.50 on the RPMs. And I don't touch the throttles, I just leave them wide open because we're almost below 24.5 inches of manifold pressure. Got a slight crab.
Traffic, Cessna 3889 Juliet is entering a right downwind for runway 6. Touch and go.
And Perry traffic 2690 Mike Kilos, part pattern to the southeast. Perry traffic. And good morning, Atlanta approach 2690 Mike Kilos with you off of Perry Houston County, looking for a VFR flight following if you have the time.
Sure thing, sir. Just give me the call sign again and what type of twin Cessna and what your destination is.
Yes, sir. It's Twin Cessna 310 Mike Kilo. We are type Cessna 310, and we're going to Mike Hotel Papa.
Roger. What's your altitude going to be?
We're probably going to climb at the 5500 for 0 Mike Kilo.
Twin Cessna 310 Mike Kilo, squawk 1133, and say your current altitude.
1133, and we are passing through 4100.
Cessna 310 Mike Kilo, radar contact about 10 miles south of Macon VOR, Macon altimeter 3016, maintain VFR at your discretion.
3016, and we'll maintain VFR for 0 Mike Kilo. Alright guys, still leveled off here at 5,500 feet. Got it leaned out, not super lean. EGTs are, I only got one EGT gauge, so I got a little lenient. Burning 12 gallons a side.
That's a 310 Mike Kilo, contact Jacksonville Center 127.57. Good day.
127.57 for 0 Mike Kilo. We'll see you in a bit. Hey, good morning, Jacksonville Center, Twin Cessna 310 Mike Kilos with you, level 5,500.
310 Mike Kilo, Jackson Center, Roger. I'm altimeter 3014. Report when you have Meador in sight.
3014, and we'll call the field for 0 Mike Kilo. Alright, get back to what I was talking about. Burning about 12 gallons a side. I normally cruise, I don't know if I've said this in previous videos, but I normally cruise between 56% of power and about 56% of power to 61% of power. I'm never running my plane real hard. Whenever I was training, I really didn't know. And I used to fly at about 70% of power, but I mean, you still get good ground speeds, especially if you're just out pedaling around. I mean, I'm doing 160 knots across the ground. So it comes out to roughly about 183, 185 miles an hour. So, yeah. That's what I got about leaned out to. Like I said,
altimeter 3014.
EGTs are on the right engine are about 1480, and the left engine is 1360. But the probes are probably in different spots, so I mean, you're not getting a real accurate reading, and that's why I want a real good engine monitor here soon. So I'll be getting that. We're 18 minutes out from the airport. It was just a short flight. I think it was an 80-mile flight.
230.
So we got an airplane 2,000 feet above us. It's going to be passing over us.
Roger, leaving
We'll catch you on the descent and landing in the Meador. All right, guys. We're descending through 2,300 feet. Got the airport in sight straight off at 12 o'clock. It'll be runway 10. All right, you got some clouds building up from down south. I've got a system off the coast, so. There's I-16. This airport literally runs west to east with the interstate. That's a pretty cool little airport. I just like going to it, giving people a chance to look at a little small airplane flying right next to them. Fuel looks good, so I got green light, so whenever we put the gear down. And Metter traffic, Twin Cessna 310 Mike Kilo, send a 5-mile final straight in runway 10. Metter, can I get a traffic advisory if there's any? And Metter traffic, Twin Cessna 0 Mike Kilos on a 3.5-mile straight in runway 10 full stop, Metter. There's a gear, some flaps, and we'll start to sink down in there. Fuel pumps are on low, taxi lights on. I see the gear out that window, and we have a green light. We are at blue line. Oh, blue line plus about 10, which I like to come in about blue line plus 5. Make sure it's ridge, propeller's going to full, flaps going to 30. Now we are at blue line. Leave a little power in because wind's blowing pretty good. Oh yeah, that was a greaser. Fuel pumps off. That flaps up. Makes the light coming off. Go back to mixed steering a lot easier. And we'll get our mixtures for taxi. And Meador traffic, Twin Cessna 0 Mike Kilos, clear of runway 10, we're taxiing back. Meador traffic. Fuel pumps off, that's fuel. Lights. Pumps up, mixtures. Alright, we check out good. Alright guys, welcome to Meador. Y'all saw the interstate whenever we came across. I'll turn and y'all can see because we hit the back taxi. And Meador traffic, Twin Cessna 0 Mike Kilos, back taxiing runway 10, we're taxiing to the west. Meador. And there's the interstate right there. I mean, it's literally just right on the other side of the fence. It's a fun little airport to come to. I like coming here. Here out just to burn some gas. Lube up the engines, keep them lubed up. Alright, we'll cut this video, change the battery, and we'll get heading back home.